going on, guys? Lottery Stocks here. Welcome to the channel. Welcome back to the channel. If you have been with me on this journey, consider hitting that like button, joining the free Discord in the description, subscribe. You guys get the whole spiel. Not a financial advisor. Now, into this video for today, we have a couple things to go over, right? There's a lot of back and forth inside of the AMC community, back and forth hate going on about people making money off of other plays. And the plays I have listed on the left side of the screen: SPRT, ATER, BBIG, Catapult, Root, MMAT, BGFV, Alibaba, and TCAT are just some examples of these quote-unquote short squeeze or pump and dump plays, whatever you want to call them, that have been happening lately. And yeah, there's a lot more that could be on this list. I just want to give you a idea of just the perspective as a whole, right? First of all, it's not what this video is about. It's not bad to make profits on the side of AMC, okay? Chances are those profits are going to go back into AMC and put more buying pressure on the stock and help out the movement in general, right? Help out the stock in general. So don't hate on anybody making money on these plays. A lot of people are just mad they didn't make money on these plays, and that's probably a big reason why they're hating. Well, I'm going to show you how you can also make money on these plays. But before I do that, I want you to know that it's also fine to not make money on these plays, right? If you don't want to touch them, that's fine, right? Also, if you take a loss on them, that's fine. Just don't do it very, very consistently. And if you have been, I'm going to show you exactly, this is going to help you exactly know how to not consistently take L's on these plays, because they pop up every week, every day, new opportunities. So here we go. Number one, you guys see this little chart kind of I have drawn out for you right here. It's a little cartoon chart. I just drew it very, very sloppy, and it's just going to give you an idea, right? So number one, this is a buy spot, right? Not everyone is going to hit it exact. You could buy here, 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 or even here right before two, whatever it may be, right? Number one, buy here and safely sell at number two. Do not diamond hand these. It's not AMC and GameStop. So guys, these are not like AMC and GameStop, right? You got to understand the movement and the difference, okay? So you'd buy at number one and safely sell at two, right when there's this little side, not correction type of thing, but running out of steam, okay? This little side jab is when it's safe to sell, okay? And for number two, sell here if you have a position. Just like I said, sell here if you have a position. And it may also be a safe spot to buy puts. Do not trade weekly options. Okay, guys? So number two is a safe spot, maybe a safe place to buy puts if you guys trade options, and ride the wave down and make money on the downside. Do not trade weekly options. I say this because you need to give yourself enough time to expect where the stock goes, and also you do not want to battle with theta, because chances are you are going to lose. It's just a bad game in general. Also, where two is on the opposite side, if for some reason, right, if for some reason you miss this opportunity to either sell your position or buy puts on the opposite side of two, right when it's coming down past that same level, is the same spot where you can sell or buy those puts, okay? So you have two opportunities at number two to do what you got to do, okay? At this point, at number two, you do not want to open a position, okay? And finally, number three, pretty much the peak. Only few people will time the very top. Don't be that guy. Don't be that diamond hander who tries timing the market, guys, okay? Chances are you're going to be wrong. And, you know, 9.8 times out of 10, you're not going to be that guy to time the exact peak of where something is going to go. So, guys, do not try and time the very top. Sell when you have your profits and don't get greedy, okay? Now, on number four, right, you can see this running out of steam and then picks up a little bit. This is I don't want to say like a fake out breakout, but it's a little bit of buying pressure stacked onto the stock to try and get the steam running again, and just sell, okay? It's sell even if you sell for a loss, okay? This is a prime time to sell. If you bought up here or you bought up here, this is the time to sell where you don't take a huge loss. You want to cut your loss, and then after this, chances are you're going to be riding the wave down if you have not sold. So guys, this is a very, very, very simple breakdown on how to make money on these plays that have been popping up lately. The market has been going insane with these random plays popping out, and you can make a lot of money, but you can also lose money very, very fast. So don't chase, follow these steps. I mean, you can screenshot this and pop it in your notes if you want. If you've taken anything out of this video, I mean anything, please hit that like button. It does get the algorithm going. And chances are, guys, if you're watching this video, you own AMC probably, and most of this money is just going to get dumped in it anyway, okay? AMC strong, Ape strong. Go make some money, guys. I love you all. Join that free Discord in the description. Lottery Stocks out.
How we gon' get to this bag when we focus on gunplay, but trapping is all that we got. All of us gon' make it one day like church.